Now we start second video for matrix. Start operation of matrix. Addition of matrix. Two matrix addition. Let A and B be two matrix of n into n order. The n into n matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the matrix A and B is called sum of the matrix A and B and is denoted by A plus B. If A is a matrix Aij n into n order, I represent row, J represent column. B is a matrix whose elements are Bij, order of matrix B m into n. Then A plus B equal to Aij m into n order plus Bij m into n order equal to Aij plus Bij m into n order. For example, A is a matrix of element in first row 2, 3, 4. In second row 0, 2, minus 1. B is a matrix of in first row minus 3, 4, 5. In second row 6, 2, 9. A is matrix of order of 2 into 3. That means 2 row and 3 column. B is a matrix of 2 into 3. 2 row and 3 columns. Both matrices are of same order. That means A has 2 row and B has also 2 row. A has 3 column and B has 3 column. Hence A and B is adding. A plus B equal to 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, minus 1 plus minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 9 is equal to 2 plus minus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 0 plus 6, 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 9 is equal to minus 1, 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. A plus B equal to 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, minus 1 plus minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 9. 2 plus minus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 0 plus minus 3, 0 plus 6, 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 9 equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 5 9, 0 plus 6 6, 2 plus 2 4, minus 1 plus 9 8. Hence addition of A plus B equal to this. It is 2 into 3 order, 2 into 3 order, 2 into 3 order, 2 into 3 order, 2 row and 3 column. Second, negative of a matrix. Let A matrix whose element are Aij be m into n matrix. Then the negative of a matrix A is denoted by minus A and is defined as minus Aij. For example, A is a matrix 1 minus 2 0 3 2 minus 5. That is 2 into 3 order matrix. 2 row and 3 column. Minus A equal to minus 1 3 minus 2 2 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1 2 0 minus 3 minus 2 5. All element in matrix A change his sign when minus A equal to minus 1 minus 2 0 3 2 minus 5. That means plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 0 0 3 minus 3 2 minus 5 minus 5 5. Here A is a matrix minus A change the sign. All sign of all element of matrix is changed. Now difference of two matrix. Let A and B be two matrix n into n matrix. Then the difference of matrix A and B is defined by A minus B and is defined as A minus B equal to A plus minus B. A minus B will also be n into n matrix. Here A is a n into n matrix, B is n into n matrix. A minus B is also a n into n matrix. In order to find A minus B, the element of B must be subtracted from the corresponding element of matrix A. As for example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 0, 2 into 3 order matrix, 2 row and 3 column. B is 2 minus 1, 4, 5, 0, 6. It is also 2 into 3, 2 row and 3 column. Then A minus B equal to 1 minus 2, 2 minus minus 1, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 5, minus 1 minus 0, 0 minus 6 equal to minus 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 6. A is a matrix of 2 into 3 order. B is also matrix of 2 into 3 order. A and B are same order. Hence A minus B equal to element of B must be subtracted from the corresponding element of A. First element of A 1 and first element in B is 2. That means in first row and first column 1 minus 2. First row and second column in element 2. First row and second column in matrix B is minus 1. Therefore A minus B 2 minus minus 1. Hence all these are deleted. And solving we get minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 6 is A minus B. Now property of matrix addition. First, commutative law. Matrix addition is commutative. If A and B be any two n into n matrix, then A plus B equal to B plus A is called commutative law of matrix in addition. Associative law. Matrix addition is associative. If A, B and C be 3n into n matrix, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C is called associative law on addition of matrix. Third, existence of additive identity. In any matrix, other which matrix is added, then same matrix is come, then those matrix be added is called additive identity. Here, if A is n into n matrix and O is n into n null matrix, then A plus O equal to O plus A equal to A. Then null matrix O is order n into n is called the additive identity for the set of all m into n matrix. For example, A equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and null matrix O is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is also 2 into 3 order. It is also 2 into 3 order. Then A plus O equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 equal to 2 plus 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, 0 plus a equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 2 3 4 1 2 3 equal to 2 3 4 1 2 3. In matrix A, O matrix is added, then comes A matrix. In O matrix, null matrix, added A matrix becomes A matrix. The null matrix O is called additive identity of matrix A. For existence of additive inverse, for any matrix A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0, where 0 is null matrix, then matrix minus A is called additive inverse of matrix A. In any matrix, sum of other matrix becomes null matrix. Addition of other matrix is called additive inverse of that matrix A. For example, A is 2 3 4 5 6 7. A plus O equal to 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here A matrix is 2 3 4 5 6 7, 3 row and 2 column. Then minus A is equal to -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. A plus minus A equal to 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. Adding to, we get 0 0 0 0 0 0. That null matrix of order of 3 row and 2 column. Then matrix is called additive inverse of matrix A. Multiple of a matrix by a scalar. In any matrix multiplied by a scalar, then each element of matrix multiplied by that scalar. For example, A is 1 2 3 0 5 4, then 3A is equal to each element of matrix A is multiplied by 3. That means 3A equal to 3 into 1, 3 into 3, 3 into 5, 3 into 2, 3 into 0, 3 into 4. That means 3, 6, 9, 0, 15, 12. Is called multiple of matrix A by a scalar 3. Now we some exercise solve it. If A matrix is 1 minus 2 1 0 is 2 into 2 matrix, B is 2 1 minus 1 1 2 into 2 matrix. Find x such that x plus 2a equal to b. X equal to b minus 2a equal to 2 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 A is 1 minus 2 1 0. That means 2 1 minus 1 1 plus minus 2 4 minus 2 0 equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 1 plus 4 1 plus 0 equal to 0 5 minus 3 1. Here given A matrix is 2 into 2 orders, B matrix is another 2 into 2 orders. Find X such that X plus 2A equal to B. First of all, we written this equation as X equal to B minus 2A equal to B matrix 2 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 A matrix 1 minus 2 1 0. Minus 2 is multiplied in matrix A in each element of matrix A becomes minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 0 0 2 1 minus 1 2. Adding these two matrices we get 2 minus 2 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus minus 2 minus 1 plus 0 equal to 0 5 minus 3 1. Find another question. So find the value of k where k is non-zero scalar. If 2 into matrix 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 2 plus k into 1 0 2 3 4 5 equal to 4 4 10 4 2 14. First of all, a scalar is multiplied in a matrix. We get 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 2 4 plus k into 1 k, k into 0 0, k into 2 2k, k into 3 3k, k into 4 4k, k into 5 5k equal to 4 4 10 4 2 14. Now adding the matrix 2 plus k, 4 plus 0, 6 plus 2k, minus 2 plus 3k, minus 6 plus 4k, 4 plus 5k equal to 4 4 10 4 2 14. Both matrix is 2 into 3 order and matrix are equal, therefore 2 plus k equal to 4 minus 2 plus 3k equal to 4, 4 equal to 4 minus 6 plus 4k equal to 2, 6 plus 2k equal to 10, 4 plus 5k equal to 14. Solving any equation, 2 plus k equal to 4, that means k equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. We get the value of k is 2. Here if in this question a scalar is multiplied by matrix, then adding both matrix we get both this matrix and this matrix of same order and equal. Therefore, corresponding element of this matrix is equal to corresponding element of that matrix. 2 plus k equal to 4, 4 equal to 4, 6 plus 2k equal to 10 and so on. Solving them, we get k equal to 2. Now solve another question. If fx is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0 0 1, then prove that fx plus f minus x is equal to 2 diagonal matrix cos x sin x 1. F minus x equal to cos minus x sin minus x 0 minus sin minus x cos minus x 0 0 0 1 cos minus theta equal to minus plus cos theta. Cos minus x equal to cos x. Sin minus x equal to minus sin x. Minus sin x and this minus becomes plus sin x. Sin minus x equal to minus sin x. Cos minus x equal to cos x. 0, 0, 0, 1. Cos minus x equal to cos x. And sin minus x equal to minus sin x. F plus f minus x equal to cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1 plus f minus x equal to cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Adding these two matrices becomes cos x plus cos x minus sin x plus sin x 0 plus 0 sin x plus minus sin x cos x plus cos x 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 1 plus 1 equal to 2 cos x 0 0 0 2 cos x 0 0 2 equal to 2 cos x 0 0 0 cos x 0 0 0 1 equal to 2 diagonal matrix cos x 1. Here fx equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Then prove that f minus x is 2 diagonal cos x 1. Fx equal to this f minus x, putting the value of minus x in place of x. F minus x equal to cos minus x minus sin minus x 0 sin minus x cos minus x 0 0 0 1. Cos minus x equal to cos x. Cos minus x equal to cos x. Sin minus x equal to minus sin x. The minus minus plus sin x 0. Sin minus x equal to minus sin x. Cos minus x equal to cos x 0 0 0 1. Fx plus f minus x equal to fx plus f minus x. Adding the, we get 2 cos x 0 0 0 2 cos x 0 0 0 2. 0 is any multiple of any element. Here 2 is subtracting, we get 2 is multiply of each element of that matrix, then 2 is sort of, then 2 cos x 0 0 0 cos x 0 0 0 1.